After 34 years, our Indian government have brought a revolutionary change in the education system and announced the new Education Policy 2020. Before this, the education policy was implemented twice. First in 1968, second in 1986, and it was modified in 1992. Changes in schooling. The existing 10+2 academic structure is replaced with 5+3+3+4 system. In this new system, education would start at the age of 3 with 4 development stages. Foundational stage, it is of 5 years, that is 3 years of preschool or Anganwadi, 2 years of class 1 and 2. It focuses on play or activity-based learning. Preparatory stage, it is of 3 years, that is from class 3 to 5. It focuses on discovery, activity-based and interactive classroom learning. Middle stage, it is of 3 years, that is from class 6 to 8. It focuses on experimental learning. Secondary stage, it is of 4 years, that is from class 9 to 12. It focuses on multidisciplinary study, critical thinking, and student choice of subject and flexibility. During grade 6 to 8, students are gonna have internships with 10 days bagless period with local vocational experts such as carpenters, artists, gardeners, etc. And along with grades, these vocational interests are gonna be mentioned on the report card. As a part of 21st century skills, coding to be taught from class 6 onwards. Importance and stress of board exams to be reduced. Exams can be conducted twice a year. Medium of instruction will be local or regional language until at least grade 5, which is not made compulsory. All the students will take school examinations in grade 3, 5 and 8, and board exams will be continued as usual. In the before system, after 10th, student needs to choose one stream from science, humanities and commerce. But now, students have flexible subject options. That is, science students can even study subjects from humanities and commerce and vice versa. After class 12th, that is higher education. Here, multiple entry-exit program is gonna be introduced. Students have the option to return and start where they left. If you drop out after 1 year, they will get a certificate. After 2 years, you'll get diploma. After 3 years, you'll get a bachelor's degree. After 4 years, you'll get a bachelor's research degree. And for these, MA and MSc courses will last for 1 year. And 2 years for those with 3 years degree. MPhil is abolished. All the big educational institutes like IITs will have to make provisions for multiple disciplinary education by 2014. And the courses will have an option of majors and minors to learn the skills like music, fashion designing professionally. And by 2030, every institute would have to provide the option for distance or online learning. Credit transfer. You can drop midway and transfer this credit to other degree. Top 100 foreign institutes have been given permission to set up their campuses within India. The regularity heads of education in India are going to be replaced by a single regularity, that is Higher Education Council of India. For teachers, a common national professional standard will be set by 2020. By 2030, the minimum qualification required to become a teacher would be a 4 years integrated BA degree. The government has decided at least 6% of the GDP will be spent on education, currently which is nearly 1.7%. There is another update that students in government schools are going to be provided with nutritious breakfast like seasonal fruits, nuts, etc. and regular health checkups and health cards. All these are just a theory, but a lot depends on the implementation as well. So let's see how soon is the government able to achieve it. Let's support the change and be the change. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.